There are nearly 350 forts in the state of Maharashtra, so it is said that the forts are the glory of Maharashtra. Most of these forts are associated with the great Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So here are the important forts of Maharashtra which I have collected, the 12 top 12 important forts of Maharashtra. So this is the map of the Maharashtra state. So the first state is Sindhudurg Fort. Its location it is a historical fort that occupies an island in the Arabian Sea just off the coast of Maharashtra in western India. The fort was built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The fortress lies on the shore of Malwan town of Sindhudurg district in the Konkan region of Maharashtra. 450 kilometers south of Mumbai, it is a protected monument. The history of this fort. Sindhudurg Island Fort was built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the 17th century ruler of Maratha Empire. Its main objective was to counter the rising influence of foreign merchants such as English, Dutch, French, and Portuguese, and to curb the rise of Siddhis of Janjira. Construction was supervised by Hirogi Indulkar in 1664. The fort was built on a small island known as the Kurti Island. The structural details of this fort. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj brought 200 Vadera people of building this fort. Over 4,000 pounds of lead were used in the casting and foundation stones were firmly laid down. Construction started on 25th November 1664, built over a period of 3 years, that is from 1664 to 1667. The sea fort is spread over 48 acres with a 2-mile long rampart. The walls are 30 feet high and 12 feet thick. The massive walls were designed to serve as a deterrent to approaching enemies and to the waves and tides of the Arabian Sea. The main entrance is concealed in such a way that no one can pinpoint it from outside. At a time when traveling by sea was banned by scriptures, this construction on an island represents the voluntary mindset of its engineer. It's an remain of an iron mole can be seen. So here are some of the pictures of Sindhudurg Fort. So the second one is Raigad Fort. Its location is a hill fort situation in Mahad, Raigad district of Maharashtra. Many constructions and structures that we see on Raigad were built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj when he made it his capital in 1674. When he was crowned the king of the Maratha kingdom, which later developed into the Maratha Empire, eventually covering much of the western and central India. The fort rises 850 meters above the sea level and is located in the Sahyadri mountain range. There are approximately 1,737 steps leading to the fort. The Raigad ropeway and aerial tramway exist. The height of this ropeway is 400 meters in height and 750 meters in length and takes only 4 minutes. In 1765, the fort was an armed campaign by British East Indian Company. Finally, on 9th May 1818, fort was looted and destroyed by British. The ropeway facility is available at Raigad Fort to reach at the fort from ground in few minutes. The history of this fort. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj seized the fort in 1656, then known as the Fort of Rairi from Chandra Raoji More, the king of Javali. Shivaji Maharaj renovated and expanded the fort of Rairi and renamed it as Raigad, King's Fort, which means King's Fort. It became the capital of Chhatrapati Shivaji's Maratha Empire. The villages of Pachad and Raigad Wadi are located at the base of the Raigad Fort. These two villages were considered very important during the Maratha rule in Raigad. The actual climb to the top of the Raigad Fort starts from Pachad. During Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's rule, a cavalry of 10,000 was always kept on standby in Pachad village. Shivaji Maharaj also built another fort, Lingana, around 2 miles away from Raigad. The fort was used to keep prisoners. In 1689, Zulfikar Khan captured Raigad and Aurangzeb renamed it as Islamgarh. In 1707, Siddhi Fateh Khan captured the fort and held it until 1733. After 1733, Maratha Sardar captured Raigad again and held it until 1818. In 1765, the fort of Raigad along with Malvan is present in the Durg district, the southmost district of Maharashtra, was the target of an armed expedition by the British East India Company, which considered it a practical stronghold. In 1818, the fort was bombarded and destroyed by cannons from the hill of Kalkai, and on 9th May 1818, as per the treaty, it was handed over to the British East India Company. So here are some of the pictures of Raigad Fort. Next one is Daulatabad Fort. This fort, also known as Devagiri, is a historical fortified citadel located in Daulatabad village near Aurangabad, Maharashtra. It was the capital of Yadava dynasty from 9th century to 14th century CE. For a brief time, the capital of Delhi Sultanate, from 1327 to 1334, and later a secondary capital of the Ahmadnagar Sultanate around the 6th century CE. Devagiri emerged as an important uplands town near present-day Aurangabad. Along caravan routes going towards western and southern India, the historical triangular fortress in the city was initially built around 1187 by the first Yadava king Bilhama. In 1308, the city was annexed by Sultan Alauddin Khilji of the Delhi Sultanate.